welcome back to EatSleepYangon channel. This is Sweety guys. Today Sweety arrived Maha Bandula Park Road, lower block. So I will show you around the Maha Bandula Park Road. Let's go and explore together. Now I'm arrived the Bawa Bed Lounge. It's just a newly opened lounge. So this is my first time also. So let me explore together guys. Let's go. So in this Bawa Bed, you can get and you can rent the working space, office room and lounge, hotel, private room, and also swimming pool in the rooftop bar. So let's go. In this Bawa Bed Lounge, you can get 5 types of room, like a cozy quick family room, standard loft room, city view loft room, and cozy private and fabulous corner room. So you can easily choose your room, and the prices are variable. Unfortunately, today I have no chance to see the room because today is fully booked. Yeah. So I will show you the rooftop bar and swimming pool and others. Let's go. This is the working space room. You can rent for one person in this room for your working space. Yes. And then all of this is the working office. You can rent for a month or daily, yeah, for hour. And in this room, you can rent 4 or 5 person in the room. Yes. It's so nice space. Yeah, this floor is a hotel private room and chill area. Wow! It's so nice. Oh, so they call chill area. Wow. Wow. It's so nice. And you can get a book. 태국 가이드북. 태국 가이드북. Wow. Let's go to the rooftop. Oh, pretty. So pretty. firstly I said, wow. And this is really newly open, so the bar is not open yet, but they will be open in a couple months. Yeah, so nice. You can play like this. So in this rooftop, you can really nice view the city view. Yes, it's the downtown view with many buildings, and in the left side you can see also the Yangon River view. So nice. So beside of the bar counter, you can see the swimming pool like a jacuzzi type. So let me show you. Wow. Very sadly, today I forgot swimsuit. So I will show like this. Wow, it's nice. Oh, if I have a chance, I will chill in this place again. Order Parisian coffee and Parisian eclair. This is my favorite one. I always eat this eclair. I'm so like it. So this is sugar. I'm a sweet lover, so put on the sugar. Yeah. Then this is creamer. For creamy type. And then in this cafe, you can get many kinds of cake, cookie, chocolate cookie, and cheese cookie, something others, and bread, and also birthday cake. Yeah, and fruity and dessert also you can get. So it's so nice. And most of the people really like it, this cafe, because it's so cool in this cafe, and free Wi-Fi also available. So it's so nice to sit. This package includes 10 pieces of eclair, Parisian eclair, and it costs only 1,700 yen, so which is around $1. Yeah. But it's so nice. Full cream of eclair. I really like it. My favorite one ever. I think it's made with whipping cream and cheese cream. Yeah. It's pretty perfect with the coffee in the morning time or evening time. Not too bitter. And this coffee, Parisian, their signature coffee, it's 1,000 yen, so under $1. So if you are a coffee lover and cake lover, you can sit here and chill with a reading book or using Wi-Fi, internet, something else. So guys, let me start my video here. I hope you also like this video. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like this one and also this one, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.